Good morning. Thank you for coming. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm fine too. Thanks for asking. Now we will start the interview. I want to know your name, your age, occupation, marital status, and the city in which you were born.
Okay. My name is Cristina de la Roche. I am 38 years old. I am administrative assistant in Agrosavia. I'm from Medellin and now I am single.
Tell me about your education, please.
Of course. Well, I have a degree in agricultural business administration, and I am also a technology in commercial and business management. And finally, I also have a specialization in a tropical agriculture from the University of Minnesota.
Now, please tell me about yourself. What you like to do in your free time, and what work experience do you have?
Okay, I'm a very responsible person. I like doing things right. I'm proactive. I have a skills to work in a team and under pressure.
What are your biggest skills?
I'm an extremely organized person. I'm proactive. I'm positive and persistent, and I consider myself a good leader.
What are your biggest weaknesses?
This is a difficult question. I am a little impatient, but with time, I learned to control it. Before, it was difficult for me to delegate, but some time ago, I realized um, the delegation enriched the result through the teamwork.
How you look in a 5 years?
In 5 years, what can I tell you? I hope I have finished my professional career and I have my own business. Now I a really good mother and have some difficulties because my children is very baby.
Thank you so much for coming. The interview is finished.
Thank you
Bye.
so much. Bye bye.